Time for a spring refresh with the Style Guys. They're here with some spring cleaning help and organizing help as well. Good to have you along on this Good Friday.
Hey, good morning, Bob.
Good to see you. All right, I see you got us ready to clean here. Do we start there?
Yes,
let's do that.
absolutely. Now, because we have been home a lot this winter, I think our homes are getting used and abused. So we like to talk about a little spring refresh, though, so we're not overwhelming anybody instead of a spring clean.
Okay.
Let's start with something we can manage, like the entryway. Now, this is where we find that all the dirt and grime is coming in the house. It can really get quite unruly. So we like to start by just pulling everything out of that space and getting started. And of course, you need to do a good sweep and a good mop. And what we've been doing is we actually got this new Shark Vac Mop. This has really helped us out. This is brand new in the market. It's super cool. It's got this powerful suction and spray mopping all in one. All you have to do is pop on one of these disposable pads and fill up the well here with the solution, and it'll pull up all the dirt and debris. It's not going to spread it all over the place and make it worse. And then when you're done, it just pops right off. You don't even have to touch it. You just push the button.
Yeah, I think we have some video of it in action.
We sure do.
I thought we did, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, there it
There
is.
it is.
Yeah. That's our nice tile there. Very proud of that.
That's
When you
very
got
nice
that
tile.
all sorted out.
Yeah. Thank you.
When you're done, I like to really get in the corners. So for that, we've got those. You can see we've got those Clorox disinfecting wipes. So you can really get around the edges, get at those hard to reach places. I like to keep these at the door so that I can remind myself to get those high touch areas as well, like your switches, your door handles. And then because they're at the door, it's great to be able to take it with you. And when you're out of the home as well. So when say you're at the gas station, you need to grab that pump and you're like, oh, I don't know if this is going to be okay for me. You can just pull out a Clorox wipe and you can have that little bit of reassurance there too.
You can't have enough of them. So from entranceways, also exits and organizing too when you're fast on the go.
Well, for sure. Now that your entryway is really clean, I was like, okay, it looks a little empty. We need to do a bit of a zhuzh in here. And we have a smaller entryway. So you really think about organizing, because when you're walking in, you have keys, you have your masks, you have all the things. So we headed over to HomeSense and found some amazing organizing and stylish products. So I love this wall shelf. It's fantastic because it's, again, takes care of that wall area, a great place to kind of put things. And then, of course, multifunctional pieces like that guy right there. It acts as a stool, but then also has storage underneath for all of Espresso's things, because we need to have those hidden. But again, it's really great to kind of think about those entryways and kind of really make them organized. And HomeSense has some fantastic items for that.
And we're thinking, and we're thinking spring. We got to think outdoors as well. Any decor ideas?
Oh, yes, all the decor ideas. I mean, we've all been stuck inside for so long. We really need to kind of think about our outdoor spaces and making them a bit more of an oasis for ourselves. So we headed over to Home Hardware. This is actually our front entry, or our front patio right there. But I love a good sectional. This sectional is the Dura Oasis sectional. It's fantastic. It's actually made with weather-resistant wicker, which I love so much. So again, perfect for the outdoors. They also have all of the amazing accents to kind of pull things together. This beautiful accent chair is fantastic as well. They have carpets that are, again, durable, ready for outside. Really great teal umbrellas as well. And the great thing about Home Hardware is that they're all 100% independently owned and operated. So you're spending in there, you're also giving back to the economy, which we love.
First time I've seen your place. It's nice. Do your neighbors go crazy trying to keep up with the Style Guys? That's pressure.
Well, yes, it is a lot of pressure, but you know what? We gotta show them we're the Style Guys for a reason.
That's right.
I see you have some spring refreshments for all our hard work cleaning and organizing.
Well, you have to reward yourself. And, I always say that you can't sell spring without a G, an I, and an N. We're really big on the rhubarb Negroni right now. So delicious and really easy to make. It's with an ounce of Campari, a half ounce of red vermouth, and a half ounce of rhubarb liqueur. And then we use the Artingstall gin, which you can see there. You can pick that up at the LCBO. It's made by our favorite Calgary Dragon, Manjeet Minhas, our good friend. And it's winning everything, including Food and Beverage Magazine awards. They've also got this really cool website. If you go to artingstallgin.com, there's some really cool recipes and videos by Hollywood actor and director Paul Feig.
Oh,
so you can check that out
Hey,
too.
we got to go, but we're going to link up all your socials at chch.com for more inspiration from the Style Guys. Thanks for joining us on this Good Friday.